Hello fam, how you doing? In this video I want to teach you how to work with the struct function. This function is the way you can send dynamic multiply variables. So in this way, for example, we can make an ISP weathercast and send the data to the receiver. So step by step I teach you how does it work and what is the functionality. Let's do it. To start with, when we want to send a message or a structured data type between two Arduinos, we need a data type like struct. Struct is a way we can group multiply values together and then send them simultaneously to the receiver side. For example, we are sitting inside our room behind our laptop and we want to remotely monitor the output of greenhouse, like a temperature and humidity. So we can use an ISP weathercast, like using Arduino Nano, Nrf24lo1, and a DHT11, which is a temperature and humidity and plays the main role. Now it's time to code in, then testify the code and see how does it work and what is the result. As you can see, here we included all the libraries like SPI.h, RF24, Nrf24, and DHT. Then we should define the DHT pin, which is interconnected to pin 2 and the type is DHT11. Another one is that we should create an address. The address is a const byte address and it should be the same in the receiver side. Another one is that the struct. The struct functionality and a structure should be the same in a receiver side. For example, if you have one float, one integer, it should be one float and one integer in a receiver side. Then we go for making a delay time. The delay time is assigned to 750 milliseconds. And about the void setup, we set the baud rate on 9600 Ts. Then start the radio module and DHT with DHT.begin and radio.begin. Then we should open writing pipe on the address 40 and 1. So here we write radio.open writing pipe address. The address we should send is the way we can get on a pipeline. So the pipeline here is 1 and it can be changed between 1 up to 5, or if it is 1-to-1 connection, we can change it to, for example, 0. Then we should set the PA level, the power amplified, which is on high, up to 50 meters we can send the data. And if this is the transmitter, this is stop listening, and if we want to listen something, we start listening. And about the void loop. The void loop here is a data type, and the data to send is a name that assigned to, and we want to call the function read temperature and read humidity. Then we can write those data as a memory address and the size of the data in byte, so we can read that data if the radio.available. Then we can print them all together and see if the data is sent or not, as a boolean success is here is the data is sent. Now it's time to testify and see if the project works or not. And in a serial monitor we can see we are sending the data is sent, so the data is sent successfully. And now the temperature output is in the receiver side is shown like 30 centigrade and humidity is 39%. And last but not least, this is a transmitter Arduino Nano interconnected to DHT11 and send the data from Arduino Nano to the receiver side so we can get the data and see the output on the serial monitor. Please subscribe our channel and thumbs up the video. Bye bye.